kagen
is a useful but tricky word. By itself, it indicates balance, a state, or moderation. First, let's examine the kanji. This means add, addition, increase, join, include. And this one means dwindle, decrease, reduce, decline, curtail, get hungry. So, if you add a little and subtract a little, you get Goldilocks, just right. You've probably heard this most often as
いい加減
If you take this phrase literally, it means good, just right. It sounds positive, and it actually does have this meaning. However,
いい加減
is most often used in negative situations to mean pretty much the opposite. Here are three meanings for
いい加減
First one is negative, irresponsible, careless, half-baked.
あの人はいい加減だ
Number two, usually negative, very, considerably, quite. This indicates that a certain degree has been reached and the speaker thinks it should stop.
彼にはいい加減うんざりです
And number three, a positive meaning, reasonable, moderate, just right.
お風呂がいい加減です
Now, if you're scratching your head, I don't blame you. How can it mean just right and not right or sloppy? The original meaning, as found in the kanji, add and subtract, is just right. Think of the common phrase,
いい加減にしろ
or
いい加減にして
this means cut it out, or that's enough. The speaker wants the listener to be like this, and therefore the
いい加減
part has a positive meaning, even though it is used in a negative situation. But because this is in a negative situation, the
いい加減
has taken on a mostly negative connotation in modern Japanese. This is how we get meanings such as,
あの人はいい加減だ
even though you might look at the kanji and assume this means this person is just right, it means quite the opposite. This person is sloppy or careless. So, unless the situation is indicating otherwise, for example, the bath water is just the right temperature or a bag is just the right size for its contents, think of
いい加減
as a negative. That's enough. Sloppy. Cut it out. Get serious. Quit playing around. Let's look at other words using
加減手加減
measuring by feel, knack, skill. This is using your hand to adjust, and therefore it also has the meaning of going easy on someone or adapting to the situation.
手加減は必要ですか
Do I need to go easy on you? For example, when you're about to play a game with someone.
さじ加減
Spoonful, a dose of medicine, adjusting cooking with seasoning, a feel for doing something, a knack, making adjustments based on experience and knowledge.
この料理はさじ加減が絶妙でとても美味しい。バカさ加減
The extent of one's foolishness.
自分のバカさ加減がとても恥ずかしい。
And lastly, a less idiomatic but very common example is
湯加減
water temperature, especially a bath.
ちょうどいい湯加減です。
The bath water is just right.
皆さん、頑張りましょう